Namaskar. I am Dr. Ashima Dabas, a pediatrician at Maulana Azad Medical College and Lok Nayak Hospital, New Delhi, and I'm here to speak briefly about management of COVID in children, and I declare no conflict of interest in this video. So the first message that I want to give to all my dear friends is, please do not create an atmosphere of panic and anxiety anticipating the third wave that is about to come. Let us all adopt some responsible behaviors and try and take care of ourselves and our kids so that we can prevent the infection from occurring. Use masks at all times, sanitize your hands well, wash your hands and face, and maintain social distancing so that we don't bring infection back home for our kids. Second, as in adults, most children are anticipated to have mild infections or the mild stage. So the symptoms could be very similar to what we had in adults: fever, loose stools, vomiting, irritability, or cough. Or children who have underlying asthma, they might get an exacerbation, wheezing. So symptoms could be very varied, similar to what we saw in adult COVID. And my request is, if any child develops any symptom which could be COVID or COVID-like, please get them tested first. There is no way out other than getting them tested. Or if they have had a contact with an adult who is positive in home, again this child, if develops symptoms, should be tested. At present, children who are asymptomatic, like they do not have any symptoms, but there is an adult in the house who has got symptoms, it is best if isolation can be done in the house. Otherwise, these children can also be tested for confirming their COVID status. Second, what I would advise to all children who develop symptoms, or most of them will only need conservative management at home, which means use of paracetamol in weight-based and age-based dosing, use of some cough syrups which the child would have usually be taking. If the child has some mild vomiting, some diarrhea, then that can also be treated with some oral syrups available at home. But the only important message that I request to all of you is, do not self-medicate and do not self-treat. Please get in touch with a doctor or a physician as soon as possible if your child becomes sick. A doctor or a pediatrician can help identify any clinical signs of progressive disease or any severe disease and can timely advise management and investigations. Use of drugs like steroids, ivermectin, remdesivir, plasma, all these things I would request the public not to do and try at home. There is no point of starting empirical antibiotics, that is without testing, or even if they are COVID test positive, starting antibiotics on your own or starting steroids at home. So kindly do not self-medicate at home. Get in touch with a pediatrician or a physician who can help you out, and do not panic. Also, what I would want to emphasize, do not push in for many investigations of the child yourself, because pediatric disease is going to be a little different from an adult disease. So get in touch with your doctor. Second, do not stop breastfeeding. All mothers who are breastfeeding their younger children, irrespective of whether they are positive or whether the kid is positive, please do not stop breastfeeding. It is going to be protective always. And at the end, please provide a tender, loving environment for your children. All of them, including all children of all ages, are equally stressed and anxious as adults. So let us not create further panic for them. Let us all get together, get wiser, and provide supportive, loving care to our children. Thank you.